WoWEbony. So this is a full lace wig. It is Peruvian virgin hair. It's 20 inches, natural color, and 180% density. So this wig right here is literally all lace. So inside of it, there's lace everywhere. So this is what it looks like right when you put it on, and this is how long it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and spray it with my spray bottle. I have my diffuser attachment right here, and I'm going to diffuse it just to give it a little more body. Okay, so I'm done diffusing it, and I think it came out really cute. It's just a tiny bit wet still, but for the most part it's as big as I want it. I love this curl pattern. It's a very like loose wavy curl, and I do like the touch and feel of this. I'm gonna get closer so you guys can see the lace. So they did a pretty good job with the lace. As y'all can see, it's very unnoticeable. So that's it. And when I put it down, you can't really notice it at all. And I did nothing to it. I'm probably gonna go back and pluck more hairs just so it looks a little bit more natural. It'll look amazing. So I really do love this hair. I'm 5'3", and this hair, I can jump. It comes like a little bit past my boob. I don't know if y'all, there we go. Comes like a little bit past my boob area, but I think it's super duper cute. I have a code for $10 off, so just use the code Morgan and you will get $10 off of your purchase for this hair.